டுடே நம்ம காலேஜில் வந்து ஒரு செமினார் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். நம்மளோட ரிசர்ச் பர்சன் யாருன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மிஸ்டர் சிவகுரு சார். ஸோ நம்மளுடைய சாரை வந்து டைரெக்டாக இன்டர்வியூ பண்ணணும். ஸோ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸோடைய அவங்களுடைய டெவலப்மெண்ட்காக நம்ம ஒரு செமினார் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணி ஸோ அவங்களுக்காக இந்த வீடியோவை நம்ம பண்ணிக்கிறோம். ஸோ லெட்ஸ் see. Sir, hello sir.
Hello.
Can you tell about yourself, sir?
Myself Sivaguru Adaipillai. I'm a current sailing second engineer, first assistant engineer actually. So myself in shipping for about 8 to 9 years, and from trainee to first assistant engineer, I'm in the same company, and still I'm learning everything every day. So I heard about this MBA college on logistics, and I saw this syllabus, and it's very inspiring set of narratives, because those subjects are likewise every marine student are used to read and everything. But this is a huge core-related subjects, and if people are studied it in a proper way, and if they get a proper guidance, they will come out of this institution with the flying colors. I hope it will happen.
Yes, sir.
In some days.
Sir, actually, I learned a lot of things from you, sir. Actually, நீங்கள் பேசுகிறப்போ நிறைய விஷயத்தை நான் வந்து நோட் பண்ணியிருந்தேன். ஸோ லைக் chatter parties. So while at the time I'll teach the students means, so what is mean by chatter parties, so what are the roles and responsibilities, so that's the thing. So அதை மட்டும் தான் நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருக்கும். பட் ஃப்ரம் ப்ராக்டிக்கல் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ், ஸோ நீங்கள் என்ன சொன்னீங்க அப்படின்னா, ஸோ ப்ராக்டிக்கல் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் தான் சாட்டர் பார்ட்டிஸ்னால் யார், ஸோ வாட் ஆர் த ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டிஸ், வாட் தே டூஸ் அப்படின்றதையும் சேர்த்து சொல்லியிருந்தீங்க. ஸோ குட் யூ டோன்ட் மைண்ட், கேன் யூ ப்ளீஸ் கிளியர் தட்?
Actually, as a sailor, I don't have any commercial pressure at all. Whatever happens, I will sail it 13 knots per hour. So I don't mind about what I'm carrying, how much it costs, anything. But the charter parties have huge commercial pressure over their head every time, until otherwise their cargo is going to the place where they want. Because at the point of time, if the cargo getting delayed, the charter parties need to pay more money to them. Sometimes they will off-hire our ship. If I delay their cargo with some unnecessary delay due to our problems, if we forgot to see things, and we forgot to do some things which is most essential over the operations, at the time it will be problematic for the commercial people. So commercial people are always under a huge pressure, because it's purely about money thing. So they don't want to worry about weather, everything, because sea trade is a highly dynamic trade. Every day, if there is some storm over there in the weather, it is not at all on our passage plan. If we need to divert from the passage plan, and the charter party will be trouble. Because for the cargo, mostly the industries depends on the cargo which we are going to serve to them.
Yes, sir.
So if it is getting delayed, they need to stop the operations for some time. It highly puts some more pressure on the productive side. They need to stop all the operations, and industries will going to suffer a lot. So we don't need to worry about charter party, but charter party need to worry about us. How we are going to get their cargo, and how we are going to bring their cargo, at what time period. If anything happens in between, how they are going to compensate the buyer or seller, because it's huge money involved in the business. So they are the masterminds behind all. Actually, they are the magicians with a wand. With the wand motion, we are doing our jobs. That's it.
So I actually had a personal question, sir. Yeah. So last week in our college, we are planning to visit the Thuthukudi port, sir.
Okay.
So in that port, they give a permission for to visit a vessel, sir, tribal vessel. Mm-hmm. So on the time, that ship has been in a ship arrest.
Yeah.
So I don't know what is the purpose, and what is the reason for that. But the ship was in a ship arrest. So they don't allow the students to take a visit and to learn. So what is the major cause and what is the major problem for that, sir?
Actually, nowadays, industry is highly evolved, depends on the four things, mainly the four things. The people
Crew.
who are serving to their cargo, going to transfer by, and next one is asset. Mainly the ship is the asset. The ship is going to bring the huge sum forward. And the next one is environment. Nowadays, the environment is very critical, because if we are going to harm the environment where we are living, then it is going to make a huge impact to the our future generation. So nowadays companies are more vigilant about if any harm to the people or any harm to the environment, or it is hugely impact on the reputation of the company. Because people are not going to believe you. If you are going to, because market is purely dependent on name. Okay, so you are in the market for so many years, suddenly you made some mistake and your reputation gone, nobody going to trust you at all. So the arrest are simple things, it is usual in day-to-day life. But what kind of arrest? If it is due to some loss of life or due to some environmental violation, they made some pollution kind of thing, because there are a lot of rules which are restraining us to make any movement inside the port. The port limits are very stringent nowadays. So otherwise, due to the cargo, if they added something to the cargo and the cargo is contaminated and it causes a delay in the operations, it also causes.
So they told that there's a loss of crews actually.
Yeah, loss of crew is most, because asset can be compensated by your insurance. But the life of a person,
it doesn't, sir.
Yes, it won't. If you do anything you won't going to bring him back to the life. So it is really safety matters. If you go to any ships, the biggest thing posted over there is safety first, because everyone is coming to earn something and they should go back to their home in a safe manner. How they come in the safe manner, they should go their home. That is the pure importance now. So people are now giving more importance to the training, how you can do your job in a safe manner. So yes, if it is due to human loss, ship should get arrested and it get released on after the investigation, or any compensation to be performed to the person who lost their life.
So if the vessels are berthed in during the time of a ship arrest, means have the vessels need to pay demurrage charges, sir?
Yes. The pure length of time, they should give all the charges.
So demurrage,
yes.
So demurrage charge consists of, sir?
Demurrage consists of your port stay time, your agency fee, and because of your stay, the another ship is waiting. The dock is booked for another ship.
Yes.
That ship compensation also to be given by you.
So that also.
So it's a huge sum. Anyway, you going to close your company. In that way. If it is a small company, it is a big thing. Nowadays, P&I clubs are there, so they will compensate. P&I club is a association of all the ship owners, and so they will give the money to the ship owner who suffered the loss. So nowadays, they had a strong connections to make this happen. So even the losses can be compensated. So they used to, it's kind of premium. So they need to pay some money, and in case of any problems, they will pay you back.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So it's not a big problem. Anyway, they will do some negotiation and they will reduce the losses as much as possible.
Okay, sir. So what about P&I clubs, sir?
P&I club is indemnity.
Yeah.
Mostly indemnity. If you made some mistake and it is causing a reputation problem, and they are asking for a huge amount, then the P&I club will pay the money. So you are giving the premium to the P&I club. So then you need to pay them back in a little manner, in a premium kind of thing. That's it.
So actually I had a doubt, sir. If the ship will be collide or else some salvations will be happen, means, so what will be happen, sir?
There is a salvage party.
Yes,
so the P&I club have the salvage parties also. So they will start the cleanup process, or they will hire a third party So they will come and they will do the cleanup and they will give you the receipt of charges and you need to pay them back.
Yes, sir.
But if governmental bodies involved, then you need to speak with the government itself. Mostly US and all, they saw a lot of oil spillages over their soil. So they have their own governmental salvage clubs and they will come and the government will put you on. For example, the Deepwater Horizon, still BP, British Petroleum is paying them back. So it's almost 4 years, but still the cleanup is going on. Because oil scenes are always coming. If a visible scene is there, the cleanup is not at all finished. So people will keep on suing you. That there is no completion of negotiation at all. You are going to pay them until otherwise they are going to let you go.
So did you experience any oil spilling during the sailing, sir?
Oil spilling, no, but cargo, yes. Basically, I am carrying cryogenic cargo. It will immediately evaporate and it will create a huge cloud of cloud mass. So from anywhere you can easily find out there is some leakage. So people immediately, because nowadays in this social media era, everyone have their camera with them. So and they can take a photograph or a video and share it on TikTok, Instagram, anything.
Yeah, sir, it's a social scenario.
Yes, because even we have lot of restrictions by using this social media and all. If any incident happen, first thing is seize all the phones on the crew. Because if something posted from the crew side, it is going to be a nightmare for the owner side. Because your crew is posted this and you have, it can be taken as a prima facie evidence and it can be submitted to any court. It is an action evidence. It can be subjected to a witness thing. So then it will be a problem. That's why people are mostly, if it is not exposed to public, it can be contained. If it is exposed to a public thing and it came on news and it is everywhere, that's it. The company is going to face a heavy loss on their reputation as well as money and everything. Because also people are, or the hired people are also going to be suffered.
Sir.
So I have only this one, cargo leakage, but the cargo is not with a sea, it immediately evaporates. But it is all over the news. Still you can see the Mexico vapor cloud.
Okay, sir. Sir, while at the time of pilferage or else oil spilling, so port state control will take any actions on this?
Upon request from ship.
So without request?
No, they will come, but the cleanup process will happen only after request. They will only contain the spillage. They won't clean up.
Oh.
It will contain along with the ship. And they will start the cleanup once the containment happens. Because if keep on the oil is leakage and they keep on cleaning, it is a never-ending process.
So how much of days will take, sir?
It depends upon the amount, quantity of the spillage happened.
So is it possible to complete, is it possible to clear all the oil spillage, sir?
Mostly if in case oil spillages happen, mostly if it is contained inside the ship, it will be good.
Okay.
If it is going overboard, then there is a lot of parties. We have a list of contacts to be contacted. It includes P&I club and it includes the local agent number and it includes company contacts. So we should inform them and they make a call what to do. So it is not up to the ships. Once it is contained in the ship, it is ship's call. It is came out of ship, it is the list of peoples to be intended and they will intimate it and they will take a call what to do.
Oh.
So inside ship, we will do.
Okay.
If it is in the waters, people will.
So is there any penalty applied for the ship owners to damage the environment, sir?
Yes. It depends upon the extent, how much it causes. Actually, we have a risk management matrix. If it is catastrophic or if it is content of oil in barrels, 10,000 barrels, 1,000 barrels, it depends upon how much it is. If it is catastrophic, the company is going to pay a huge sum loan.
Okay, sir. So could you don't mind, can you experience your sailing things, sir?
Mostly, I am a gas carrier guy, mostly LPG carriers. So, and then ammonia carriers. I used to load at Houston and then goes to Far East, mostly Japan and Korea for LPG.
Okay.
And then ammonia Last two ships were anhydrous ammonia. I used to load at West Indies, Trinidad, or Houston, Mississippi, Donaldsonville. So I used to load there and go to discharge at UK, United Kingdom, and France, Spain, or Morocco sometimes, and then Algeria, Turkey. So it is not a fixed route. Wherever the cargo is, I will go there. LPG is standard. Either it is Qatar, Arab, Gulf countries, or US.
Okay. So which journey make you to excited or else any adventures, sir?
It's UK actually.
UK.
The voyage which we go through whiskey, Bay of Whiskey.
Wow.
Actually, I don't know the meaning of Bay of Whiskey, but ship used to roll a lot in that route because it is catastrophic over there. It is huge. And then I once made my voyage through Magellan Strait. Instead of going through Panama, we went through the south terminal of the South America and we came up. So Argentina, around the Argentina, and we came to Chile. So Atlantic to Pacific through Magellan Strait. It's beautiful to see. At the time it was heavy storms there. And we came through very small islands. We can literally touch the mountains over there. So in that age, that was quite thrilling. Luckily, it's a good day. So we escaped and we came out. That was one, Magellan, and then Mediterranean. Beautiful places over there.
Okay, sir. So which thing made you to enter into this field, sir?
That catchy phrase, 6-month job, 6 months no job at all.
That's Sharon.
But after entered into the field only, I came to know a lot of tricky points over there. And I thought I will study 4-year marine engineering and I'll sit relaxedly and do my job. But we have a lot of exams to get promoted to one job to another job. So these things we came to know only after I entered into the field. So people should prepare themselves, hope for the best, but expect the worst.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I hope you are enjoyed with our students, sir.
Yeah.
So, and I thank for our CU and our vice principal and our principal and Mr. Director, sir, and our respected HOD ma'am. So thank you all, and thank you, sir,
Really
for this students'
nice
experience and things, sir. Thank
Yeah,
you, sir.
nice interview.
Thank you, sir.